Yes, guys, so we in Dominica, right? In Roseau, the capital of Dominica, and this is our last day here. Tomorrow, back to Trinidad. Morning, what a view to wake up to, eh? Let's look at that. This is one of the peaks in Dominica, and just behind it, seeing Guadeloupe, right? Anyways, that beautiful water. I had a nice time inside here last night, and we're gonna head out. Yeah, I'm on hit with yes. Anyways, we're gonna head out, get the day started. Today is the last full day we have in Dominica. So, yeah guys, so after a long drive, we're up in the mountains here, right? Trafalgar Falls entrance, and we're gonna pay, and we're gonna get in inside. So there we go. This is 10 minutes. So we are at Trafalgar Falls, right? Look at the beautiful falls there, right? My father, I don't know, we got somewhere climbing, but I just sent up the drone, right? So taking this lovely drone footage here now. Guys, so we at a lake called Letang in Dominica, and this is very similar to the lake in Grenada that I visited, which was called Letang. So if you never saw it, check it out on my vlogs, and then you can see this. Yeah. I wasn't gonna do any voiceovers there, but this particular stadium I wanted to go in, and the security said no way. And it's so strange that in all the other Caribbean countries, St. Lucia, Grenada, Barbados, I was able to go in the stadiums. Think about that. Western side of Dominica, and I just stopped to take in these views here. Right, the sun is absolutely hot. I have a real nice beach down there. I see a man like he barbecuing something, but we're on the move. After a long drive on the western side of Dominica, we have arrived in Scott's Head, right? So we're chilling here. Here's our fort. There's a big cannon right here. I've already made some videos, and now I'm going to send up the drone, so look at it. Guys, so I'm in the end, right? As I tell earlier, Scott's Head is the name of this place. Very lovely views. Martinique is visible here, slightly. Mom's and I'm in the car chilling, right? We went up that hill there, right? So it's now time to head back to the hotel and relax. And tomorrow is home time. barely sleep, right? But that's small thing. Last day here, I could say. So our flight is just after lunch. So we're gonna take a beer and organize to head out. So let me go on the last adventure.